Did you know 92% of social media users watch videos with no sound on? That means if you aren't including closed captioning on your videos, they're just going to keep scrolling on by. When I'm coaching new content creators, this seems to be a bit of a hurdle. Luckily, adding closed captions to social media videos is very simple to do. Let's dive in. What other frustrations can I help you solve as a content creator? Let me know in the comments. And be sure to share this video. It's the best way to support my channel.